Standard 11 Chemistry Unit 4 Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure Part 7. Here we discuss about coordinate covalent bond. Here covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron, but here the another concept that is coordinate covalent bond, or it is named as dative bond or dipolar bond. As we have already discussed about covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron. By sharing of electron, if there is one electron is sharing, single bond is formed. If there are two electrons are sharing, it forms double bond. If there are three electrons sharing, it forms triple bond. For example, here if hydrogen atom sharing one electron, it forms single bond. Oxygen, two atoms of oxygen sharing two electrons, it forms double bond. Between two nitrogen atom, it shares three electrons, they form triple bond. But here the another word, that is coordinate covalent bond. So this is the concept about covalent bond. Now let's see another example. NH4 plus is ammonium ion. Nitrogen atom is bonded with 4 hydrogen atom. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In 2s orbital, there are 2 electrons. In 2p orbital, there are 3 single electrons, or it is called unpaired electron. Means here one paired electron means there are 2 electrons, and here 3 unpaired or called single electron. 3 unpaired electron. Okay, so here around the net nitrogen atom, there are 3 unpaired electron and 1 paired electron. Now for hydrogen atom, its atomic number is 1, its electronic configuration is 1s1. In 1s1 orbital, there is single electron and it is unpaired. Here nitrogen atom having 3 unpaired electron, and here the 3 hydrogen atom. But here the charge is positive. That means here electron is removed from the hydrogen atom. That means 4th hydrogen having no electrons, because here it forms H plus. Okay, H. Now is paired electron. Hydrogen having 3 unpaired electron also. So these three unpaired electron shares electrons and it forms three covalent bond. The nitrogen atom is bonded with hydrogen by covalent bond, and this electron pair is donated to the hydrogen which having no electrons, and it is indicated by arrow. And this bond is called coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so here in ammonium ion there are three covalent bond and one coordinate covalent bond, because here nitrogen atom having one paired electron which is donated to hydrogen atom, and this bond is formed which is called coordinate covalent bond. So in simple word, coordinate covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron pair from single atom only, and both shared electron are donated by same atom, and it is called dative bond or dipolar bond or coordinate covalent bond. So here it is formed by sharing of electron pair, from single atom. Both shared electrons are donated by same atom, and it is called coordinate covalent bond. Let us see another example. Sulfur dioxide molecule. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Its electronic configuration is neon, having 10 electrons, and neon 3s2 and 3p4. In 3s orbital there are 2 electrons, means one paired electron. In 3p orbital there are 4 electrons, 1 2 3 and 4. So here sulfur atom having 2 paired electron and 2 unpaired electron. Okay, now let us see about oxygen atom. Here there are 2 oxygen atom. Its atomic number is 8. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 electrons. Okay, now in outermost shell there are 6 electron, 2 plus 4. In 2s orbital there are 2 electrons, means one paired electron. And here in 2p orbital 1, 2 and 3 and 4 electrons. So in oxygen atom, same conditions as same as sulfur. So oxygen atom having 2 unpaired electron and 2 paired electron. Now this is the central atom. As is central atom, this is the oxygen atom. Oxygen atom having 2 unpaired electron and 2 paired electron. Okay, same condition is here, 2 unpaired electron and 2 paired electron. Sulfur having 2 unpaired electron and 2 paired electron. Now sulfur and oxygen shares 2 electrons and it forms double bond. It forms double bond. So here sulfur and oxygen forms double bond by sharing of 2 electrons. And now this oxygen atom having 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. To complete its octet, it requires 2 more electrons. So here to this sulfur atom donates electron pair to the oxygen atom. So here this electron pair shared by sulfur atom and it forms coordinate covalent bond. So this coordinate covalent bond and this double bond. Double bond is formed by sharing of 2 electrons, and here this sulfur atom donates electron pair to the oxygen atom and it forms coordinate covalent bond, which is indicated by arrow. Sometimes you will be asked which of the following molecule having coordinate covalent bond or covalent bond. So here in this example there is single double bond and single coordinate covalent bond, while in case of ammonium ion there are 3 single bond and 1 coordinate covalent bond. So coordinate covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron pair from single atoms only. Both shared electrons are donated by same atom and it is called coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. Let's see another example. In NH3BF3 molecule, here for nitrogen atom it's having 3 unpaired electron and 1 paired electron. For boron its atomic number is 5, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. In excited states in excited states its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s1 and 2p2. So here in boron atom there are 3 unpaired electron. Okay, it's ground state level electronic configuration and it is in excited state electronic configuration. So here boron having 3 unpaired electron. Now for fluorine, its atomic number is 9. Its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. In outermost cell there are 2 plus 5 7 electrons, but here in 2s orbital 2 electrons means 1 electron pair, and here there are 5 electrons 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So in fluorine atom there is single electron means 1 unpaired electron and 1, 2 and 3 paired electrons. Okay, now the bond between NH3, so it says 1 electrons, because here in hydrogen atom there is single electron, its electronic configuration will be 1s1, so there is single electron and it sets and it forms single bond. Now nitrogen having single electron pair and the boron having 3 unpaired electron which is bonded with 3 fluorine atom which having also 3 unpaired 1 electron and it forms single bond by sharing of 1 electron. Here nitrogen atom donates electron pair. This electron pair will donate to the boron atom and it forms here nitrogen atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atom and this nitrogen atom is bonded with boron by coordinate covalent bond. And here 3 covalent bond. And this is the another example of coordinate covalent bond. Okay friends, so this is the concept about coordinate covalent bond. Next time we will discuss another topic. Thank you very much.